I am so angry. This is Lake Texoma. This is here on the river. We have a beautiful river here at our dam site. And all they've done now is come in and cut down our trees. Trees that are who knows how many years. Just cut them all down. They did the same thing at East Burns Run, West Burns Run. It's like, who is it that doesn't have something against trees? And they come in and put in all these big boulder rocks. And they wonder why there's global warming. Well, why don't you cut down just a few more trees? You know, a person comes to the river and the lake to get up underneath a shade tree and enjoy the day and relax and have a good time with their family. Well, now they're going to have you dancing on the sun out here in the summertime.